Hey y'all, it's me again. Today I wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of how to manage products on your Sellvia dashboard, as good products are the lifeblood of any flourishing business. Let's get into it. First off, you're going to need to go to your navigation bar on the left-hand side and scroll down to Products. Let's go all the way down to the bottom of the Products section and click on My Products. This section gives you the basic rundown of what you have in your store, the price range within your store, the amount of products you have, and the last time you updated your product selection, which is helpful because keeping your products up to date is key to getting a wide variety of shoppers coming to your store in large numbers. It's all about SEO and making sure that a wide range of Google searches can lead back to your store. From this section, you can also add SEO boosters to your store, which also helps with that. To add new products and keep your store up to date, you can head over to either Add Products, Digital Products, or Popular Brands. Let's start with Add Products. This is where you can add physical products from Sellvia's catalog directly to your store. These products are already fully prepared and connected to Sellvia's fulfillment system, which means everything from sourcing to shipping is handled for you. The main advantage of this section is speed. You can quickly expand your product lineup with ready-to-sell items without needing to worry about suppliers, inventory management, or logistics. This makes it easy to keep your store fresh and active with new offers. Next is the Digital Products section. This area is for selling non-physical items, such as downloadable files, guides, or other digital content. Digital products are delivered automatically after purchase, so there's no shipping and no fulfillment delays. One of the biggest advantages here is scalability. Once a digital product is added, it can be sold an unlimited number of times, making it a great way to generate consistent revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Then we have Popular Brands. This section features products from well-known and in-demand brands that customers already recognize and trust. These products are chosen based on popularity and performance, which helps increase confidence and conversion rates. Adding products from popular brands allows you to grow your catalog quickly while leveraging existing demand and brand awareness, which can make it easier to drive sales, especially for newer stores. Each of these sections plays a different role. Add products helps you build a solid foundation of physical items. Digital products allows you to scale efficiently, and popular brands gives you access to proven products with built-in demand. Using them together makes it easier to keep your store competitive, active, and appealing to a wide range of shoppers. That's a quick overview of the product section in Sellvia. How to manage products, create bundles, sell digital items, and add popular branded products to your store. Anyway, that's what I've got for y'all today. Write me in the comments if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. Hope you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you in the next video.